Dear sir, what are you fancying for afters? Mrs. Patmore's treacle pudding or me? Hashtag dare to ask, hashtag up for it. Yours, Lady Mary Crawley. Carson.
Yes, my lady.
Could you two please do us the courtesy and store away those hideous communication devices?
Forgive me, Lady Crawley, but I fail to see why. There's no harm in answering a sympathetic little message.
Give me that note. Carson? In what day and age do we live when family dinner time is used to communicate?
Apologies, grandmother. I'll behave and put it away.
And your keys, dear. And that telephone and notebook.
Right.
We weren't raised in a barn and we're not fed on hay. So kindly behave befitting your position and store it away. Prof. Lol, semicolon, hyphen, close bracket. The man's gone absolutely bonkers. Bally nonsense.